Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll continue working with the web API and learn about the delete method. Let's get started. Previously, we worked on the get, post and put methods with our color list. This time, we are going to delete one of the colors from the list. We first need to check if the ID of the color we want to delete is valid. In our case, that means checking whether the index exists in the list. If the ID is valid, we can go ahead and delete the color at that index. Let's run the project and try out our delete method. First, copy the address, then open the Postman extension from the left-hand side panel. Paste the address along with the controller name. To begin, I'll fetch all the colors in the list using the get method. As you can see, we currently have red, yellow and green. Now change the method to delete. We need to provide the ID of the color we want to delete. First, let's test it with an invalid ID, in our case, an index that doesn't exist. As expected, we get an invalid ID error. This time, let's delete the color with ID 0. As you can see, the success message confirms that we deleted the color red from our list. Now let's check the color list again using the get method. And there is only 2 colors remain and the red has been removed. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us.